Yeah, love makes little things grow.
Hey, you guys! I think Mr. Solomon is gonna read his new Halloween book now.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. I think Clifford's excited about Mr. Solomon's new book.
Is everyone having a great time at the costume campout party?
You betcha!
I'm so glad. Tonight, I'm going to read to you from my newest book. It's a Flo and Zoe adventure, and it's called Scaredy Cats. It was a dark and spooky night, and a full moon hung high in the sky. The noise went squeak, squeak, squeak. Flo looked at Zoe and took a deep breath. What was that? Before Zoe could answer, they heard the noise again. Squeak, squeak, squeak. It must be a bat, said Zoe. Then they heard another scary sound. Whoosh! Whoosh! It must be a ghost, said Flo. They hid behind a vase. But the noise got closer and closer. Tap, tap, tap. It must be a witch, said Zoe. And the tap, tap, tap is her pointy shoes, said Flo. It turned out that there was nothing for them to be scared of at all. None of the spooky things were real. Flo and Zoe had imagined everything.
Yay! That was great!
Awesome!
Thank you very much.
Wasn't that a great story, Clifford?
Hey, let's go set up our sleeping bags for the campout.
That's a great idea! It's going to be so much fun sleeping out here all night. I just hope there are no bats going squeak, squeak, squeak.
Or any ghosts that go whoosh.
Or witches with pointy shoes that go tap, tap, tap. What was that? What was that? Jorge? Jorge, did you hear that? Oh, Flo, Zoe, are you guys awake? What's that? Okay, I'm sure it's just a decoration. It's getting closer.
Hey, Little Red, how was the party?
Oh, hi, Norville. The party was fun. We had treats, we bobbed for apples, and Mr. Solomon read his new book, Scaredy Cats.
No kidding. How was it?
It was great. A little scary, but great.